Most people struggle to get traffic to their Etsy or Amazon products, so I tried something completely different. I used simple AI animal videos to generate free traffic, and in just 30 days, it made me $2,179. But here's the part nobody tells you. The videos aren't the real secret. In fact, if you copy them the wrong way, you'll make $0. Here's why most people never make money online. They're doing everything manually, spending hours editing, overthinking every post, and trying to compete in saturated markets where they have no real edge. They upload a few videos, get 10 or 20 views, see no results, and quit. But what they don't realize is the game has already changed. Right now, people are using AI to create content at scale, pulling in traffic every single day, not by working harder, but by playing a completely different game. One of the biggest opportunities right now is something very simple: animal content. Videos of cats, dogs, pandas, monkeys, doing funny, unexpected, or entertaining things. These videos perform insanely well because they trigger instant emotion. No thinking needed. People just watch, enjoy, and share. That's why they spread so fast on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. And the best part, you don't even need to film anything anymore, because now you can generate these videos using AI. Here's the full system broken down step by step. First, you start by researching what is already working. You go on TikTok or YouTube Shorts and search for terms like cat dancing, funny dog video, or panda memes. You study the top performing videos and look at patterns. You will notice that the most viral videos are simple, short, and emotionally engaging. They often show animals dancing, reacting to music, or doing funny movements. You don't copy these videos directly. You only study the idea behind them so you can recreate your own version. Once you understand what is working, you move to AI creation. This is where tools like TopMedia AI come in. Click the link in the description below, then sign up for a free account, then log in. This tool allows you to turn simple images into animated videos using artificial intelligence. You start by finding a clean image of an animal. It can be a cat, a dog, a panda, or even a cartoon-style character. You can get these images for free from websites like Pexels or Pixabay. After downloading the image, back to your TopMedia account, then click on the menu, scroll down, and choose AI Dance. Then upload your downloaded animal image and scroll down, then click on Select Templates. Here you will find templates that you can mimic the dance and choose any of these. Alternatively, you can upload your own dancing video that you want to mimic from. And lastly, click on Generate and wait for your video to be generated. Once your video is generated, you can download it and it will look like this.
Why you looking at me like you offended? All the sugar and spice that I'm blessed with got me busy at the top, so what's up? I'm polite when you're good, but I'm rude when you're not.
Also, before down, you can enhance the video or edit it by changing the video background and whatever. If you are satisfied with the result, you can download it. But here's where things get interesting, because most people only use one feature and ignore everything else. Inside TopMedia AI, you actually have multiple tools that can turn one simple idea into a viral content machine. First, you've got the background remover and changer. This is huge. You can take the same dancing animal and place it in different scenes: a club, a street, even a funny setting. One video suddenly becomes multiple pieces of content. There's also the AI voice generator. So if you want your animal to talk or react, you don't need a mic. Just generate a voice and make it more engaging. And of course, the AI music generator. Instead of using overused sounds, you create your own beat. Now your videos feel original, and that can instantly boost retention. But the real upgrade is Seedance 2.0. Seedance 2.0 takes your animation and makes it smooth, realistic, and perfectly synced. No more stiff or robotic movement. So what I do is simple. Create the video, refine it with Seedance, add custom music. And just like that, your content goes from basic to something people actually stop and watch. Now, after you generate your videos, the next step is posting. You upload them to short-form platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Facebook Reels. And here is something very important. You do not need followers. You do not need a big audience. These platforms are designed for discovery. The algorithm tests your video with small groups of people. If they watch it, like it, or replay it, the platform pushes it to more people. This means one video can go viral even if your account is brand new. To improve your chances, you post consistently. One video per day is the minimum, but more is better. You also use simple captions like, "This cat is too funny," or "Nobody expected this," because the goal is not complexity, it is engagement. The more videos you post, the more data the algorithm has to push your content. Now here's where things get really interesting, because views alone don't make you money. What matters is how you use the attention. Instead of just posting viral animal videos and hoping for ad revenue, I turned those views into traffic for a digital product. After creating a few viral style videos, I noticed people kept asking how they were made. So I built a simple AI animal video viral kit that includes my exact prompts, viral video ideas, high engagement captions, and a posting strategy, then listed it on Amazon and Etsy as a digital product. Now, every video has one goal: turn curiosity into clicks. Using a simple call to action, like, if you want the exact prompts and templates I used, check the link in the description, which leads directly to my Etsy listing. This works because these videos trigger curiosity. People don't just watch, they want to know the method. So when you give them a shortcut, they click. Instead of relying on one income stream, you turn free traffic into product sales. And since the product is created once but promoted endlessly, the system compounds over time. Content created, views, I get clicks from those views, and clicks turn into sales. So now you understand the full system. You're not just creating random videos. You're building a traffic engine. AI creates the content. Social platforms push it for free, and your digital product turns that attention into income. The only difference between people who succeed with this and those who don't is consistency. If you post daily, test different ideas, and improve your content, this can grow faster than you expect. Now, if you want to go deeper, I made another video where I show how I made $1,000 this month selling AI-generated digital products on Etsy without creating a single design from scratch. Watch the video showing up on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and see you there.